This is our $2,000 240SX, and in today's video, we're gonna completely transform it. There's a reason why this car was only $2,000. It's not just rough around the edges, this thing is a complete turd. The body is full of dents, the fiberglass is cracked and full of holes. Honestly, it looks like it's ready for the scrapyard. While most people see trash, we see potential. Today we're gonna turn this $2,000 240SX into a $15,000 one. We're gonna finish this car in one video, so we need to get started now. Let's address the first issue. The old owner did over fenders and did a terrible job. As you can tell, the rear quarters were never sealed. It's our job to prevent this area from moisture and rust. Time to seal off the quarter panel with this. Usually you would weld and then shave off the metal tabs, but your boy cannot weld to save his life. I'd probably make this thing even worse.
As ugly as this is, rear quarters are sealed.
Up next, we need to figure out which body kit we want
On the S14, we have the options between the Duraflex kit or the D-Max kit. Kenny, which one are we doing?
D-Max.
This one it is. There's a lot of work that we need to do though. There's cracks all over. We need to get this thing perfect if we're gonna paint on top of it.
And this thing was far from perfect. There's so many imperfections throughout the entire car. Now for the most tedious part of any paint job, the bodywork. They say that a good paint job is 80% bodywork, 20% the actual paint job. And I low-key don't even know what I'm doing. I hope this paint job turns out amazing. We went with the Z-Glaze putty because it's the easiest Bondo to sand. And we had to Bondo and re-sand a lot.
Fenders are done.
Up next, we are gonna get started on perfecting the body kit. Go ahead, Kenny. To repair a crack on fiberglass, you have to actually make the damage worse. You need to grind through the entire crack. This allows for the Bondo to sit inside and prevent air pockets and random fiberglass pieces from sticking up. Now for the fiberglass. I like to go heavy on the resin because this technique also helps fill in the crack before Bondo. Now let's fix the damaged side skirts. All you have to do is grind this down and make it smooth. This will allow you to lay Bondo over it with no issues. We are done filling holes and cracks in the bumper. And goddamn, there was a lot. Same for the rear bumper. This shit is endless. Wanna give up?
No.
Okay.
My poor car.
Back to work. This is why people pay other people to do this shit.
That's why this shit costs 20 bands.
The body kit is all done. Time for the primer. Let's get to it. This step is very important. The primer's job is to fill tiny scratches, seal the bodywork, and create a smooth surface for your new paint to stick to. You skip this step, and even the nicest paint job can end up peeling or showing every little imperfection.
Once you lay the primer, it's actually gonna reveal all of the imperfections. We're gonna have to go back, sand, and Bondo.
But you know what? Ain't nothing. We're already 5 days deep into this. Let's keep going. Welcome back, YouTube. It's already been 2 weeks and we're still here. Yeah. Turn that shit off. Unfortunately, the camera did not, in fact, turn off. We actually had to sand many, many more days. This is what it's supposed to look like when the bodywork is done correctly. Guys, after an entire month of bodywork, we finally finished. How do you feel, buddy?
Finally moving.
We're in a sanding loop, endless sanding loop.
We picked up a lot of hobbies on the way though.
We sold the Ferrari, and this month we've opened a bunch of one-piece cards. Finally did it. We're ready. It's finally time to pick up some paint. Paint is acquired. Time to lay some glass and maybe some Tiger stripe again. It's almost time for color reveal. But first, what do we have to do, Kenny?
Gotta clean the garage.
Yup. We're just about to get started with paint. And what time is it?
Paint's in time.
Honestly, the color that Kenny picked is so freaking sick. Tell him a little bit about this color, Kenny.
It's a BMW color, G80, Techno Violet.
Oof. 3, 2, 1. This is it. This is Techno Violet. Oh, shit.
Let's get to work.
A tip for the beginners, you will be spilling a lot of your paint, and these things are expensive. How much did we pay for this, Kenny?
All right.
Yep. So we want to save as much paint as possible. The best tip is to grab yourselves some tape, tape a little V like this, and that should help save a little bit.
No! That method is patched! No! No! Alright guys, if there's any tips on how we spill less, comment down below.
Might be too late.
I know! I have an idea, Kenny. Watch this. 1, 2, and 3. I'm a genius. Now to mix in the reducer. This is a 1-to-1 ratio. Now all we gotta do is mix the two together, and there's one last step before we can lay some paint. Grab yourself some tack cloth and wipe down everything that is about to get painted. This removes all contaminants that can ruin the paint job. Are you guys ready? It's time to lay some paint. Will we kill it? Shoot, let's find out. Also, if you guys have any tips on painting at all, feel free to leave a comment down below. I've literally just learned everything by watching YouTube videos and just practicing. Quick little update, guys. It's nice to finally see some movement, huh?
Yeah, it's only been a month.
All we've been seeing is primer, sanding, Bondo. It's time to lay the clear.
I'm gonna go check it out. Wow! Kenny's gonna be so happy. All my little bro's hard work and your hard work turned out fucking great. Good job. That's great. It looks beautiful.
Oh shit. Holy shit, guys. This thing is painted. Finally,
We can move on to the S-Turd 40 or the S4 Turd.
we are on the final stretch, guys. It's time to take off this trunk, clean everything off with soap and degreaser.
That shit is beautiful. A job well done.
Boom! Fenders looking good. How many tries did this take?
4?
4 freaking days on these damn fenders, guys. You happy with the result?
Looks good.
All right.
8 days actually. Because every time we messed up, we have to wait a whole day.
Go. Wait, who's holding the handbrake? Ah!
Go, let go. Oh, it worked.
No! Yeah. So the S14 starter decided to give out in this video. Talk about 240 problems, right? Another 230 to go. Luckily, I got this sick-ass Toyota on work wheels. Shout out work wheels to pull the 240 up the driveway. The doors are coming off. Smack this pin out, take off the 4 bolts, and the door comes right off. And it's ready for a good clean. We're not leaving any parts of this car untouched. Let's primer the inside of the doors, both of the outsides, smack this door with some Techno Violet, and we're done. As you guys know, the kit is fiberglass and the car's going to be slammed. So it'll be nice to be able to take the bumpers on and off. So yes, we're gonna be paint matching these as well. We are on the final stretch of this transformation, guys. Before we can paint this thing, we need to mask off the entire car. Was this job tedious? Absolutely. Are you gonna drop a like on this video for all of our hard work? Please, please.
Car's all masked up and cleaned up. We're ready for the primer. Take one last look. Not gonna be black ever again. Ready, Kenny?
Ready.
Let's do it. This is the final time we mix the paint, Kenny. We're never gonna have to look at this again.
Getting sick of the damn color.
I'm getting sick of freaking techno purple. Is that what it's called?
Techno violet.
God damn.
This shit's everywhere.
Car's all primered, as you guys can tell. Primer thick, patience running thin. But let's lay some thick ass techno violet. And then the next hard part of the journey is putting everything back together. Let's get to it. Car is techno purple. Now before we clear though, we have to get these over fenders on. But if you guys know, these things are self-tapped on. We gotta do it right this time.
Instead of using self-tappers, this time we're gonna use rivets. This is gonna give us the cleanest look.
Boom! Over fenders are done. Nice and clean.
Clocking in for the last time. No more techno violet. Editor, start the final time lapse.
You got it, boss.
After countless hours of bodywork, sanding, painting, and more setbacks than we ever expected, it all comes down to this moment. Are you guys ready? Introducing the new and improved S14.
Come on, Kenny.
It's almost there. This one.
We turned a $2,000 S14 into this. What do you guys think? Oh my God. We are not a body shop. We keep joking about eliminate auto body, and we end up sanding
Forever. It was endless.
It was endless, but buddy, we freaking did it. Great job. Justin, what are your thoughts, bro?
Looks really good. Makes me want to just paint mine now and keep it.
Guys, we learned so much on this project, and All I gotta say is this is the hardest I've ever worked on a video. Put my all into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kenny, you love the color?
Yeah. I'm kind of tired of seeing it though. It's all we saw for like 2 months.
How much do you think this is worth now?
With the way the market is nowadays, sheesh. Probably you could list it up for like 14.
I like that. What do you think, Kenny?
I think so. But why is Justin's listing his for 20?
This is the longest I've ever worked on a vlog. If you guys want to support us, just show us some love by dropping a fat like on this video and commenting. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe for more. Eliminate videos are officially back. They may take a little bit longer, but just know that I'm gonna put my all into it. This is gonna be my final attempt at doing YouTube and finding love in making videos again. If you guys want to support us, it would literally mean the world to me. Kenny, we did it, buddy.
We did it.
Oh my God, that was a freaking battle. Let's go look at something not purple, yeah? I don't think I like purple no more.
Look at Justin's white and black S14.
Do mine next then.
Hell no, we're putting the paint gun down. I'm freaking over this shit.